Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today we are going to take retirement of partner chapter 4 12th standard illustration 6. So let's get started, but before that don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to it and do share with your friends. Okay, so let's get started. Illustration 6. Balance sheet of Anil, Sunil and Suresh was as follows: partner sharing profit and losses equally. Okay, then liability side is given and assets side is given. So let's move towards adjustments and let's see if we have to put any star mark on the balance sheet given. Suresh retired from the business on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. So on balance sheet we have already written the date 1st April 2019. Okay, then the assets were revalued as under: land and building appreciated by 10%, computer reduced. So land and building, computer, machinery. So we'll put a star mark on land and building, computer and machinery. Land and building, computer, machinery, so that while solving the sums we can leave one line for the adjustments. Next, debtors were all good and RDD was no longer required. The goodwill of the firm is to be valued at this much. Furniture was sold at rupees 21,800 and part payment of 15,000 was made to Suresh by RTGS and balance was transferred to a loan account. Furniture, okay, we'll put a star mark. So all these where you are seeing star mark, they have adjustments. Okay, so we'll start posting the given liability side of the partners. Capital account Anil, Sunil and Suresh, 43,600, 35,000, 32,000. This will go on the credit side of partners capital account by balance brought down. Anil 43,600, Sunil 35,000 and Suresh 32,000. Next, creditors 20,600. There is no adjustments on creditors, so this will go in the liability side. Creditors, how much it is? Outer column 20,300. Then bills payable 10,600. Again we'll post it in the liability side. Bills payable 10,600. Then general reserve 13,500. Now this we have to distribute it among the all three partners in their in the equal ratio. So we'll go over here by general reserve. Now we'll divide it by 3. What is the general reserve? We the share profit and loss, they are sharing it equally. So obviously we'll divide this reserve general reserve 13,500 divided by 3. So whatever answer we'll get, we'll put it in Anil, Sunil and Suresh. So that gives 4,500. Here also 4,500 and here also we get 4,500. Next, now we have completed posting liability side. Now let's move towards asset side. Land and building 70,000, it will go in the asset side of balance sheet. Land and building 70,000. Okay, then next we have machinery 10,000. So again we'll go in the machinery. How much? 10,000. We'll leave a line. Then again after machinery, goodwill 12,000. Goodwill. Now goodwill of the firm in balance sheet, it is given 12,000, but we have an adjustment on it also. Let us see what the adjustment is. Goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 16,500. So this amount we are going to write in the balance sheet side, asset side. Okay, goodwill. How much in the adjustment? It is 16,500. And now we will have to solve this. Now it is given 1200 over here, and it has to be like in adjustment. It is said goodwill of the firm to be valued at 16,500. So what we'll do, we'll minus 16,500 minus 12,000. It means it gives 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4,500. Now this 4,500 we will distribute it between the partners in their equal profit sharing ratio. So by goodwill, 4,500 divided by 3, so it gives 1,500 to all partners. Okay, so next, debtors 18,000. Now next we have debtors 18,000. So we have an adjustment on this. What it is? Debtors were all good and RDD are no longer required. So this debtors will go in the asset side, and we'll write whole amount debtors. How much? It's 18,000, and no RDD is there. It means we will be writing it at the credit side by RDD. Okay, 900. Bank 8,400. Computer 17,500. Adjustment is there, so we'll write inside computer. How much? Computer 17,500. 17,500. Next, furniture 20,000. Adjustment is there, so we'll put a line over here. Okay. Now we have done all the posting of liabilities and assets. Now let's move towards the adjustments. Suresh retired from the business on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. Assets were valued as under: land and building appreciated by 10%. So land and building appreciated means plus appreciation. How much? 10%. 10% means 7,000. So that's okay, we get 77,000. This 7,000 will go in the buy land and building account, $7,000. Next, and computer reduced by 1900. Computer reduced means depreciated by 1900 means minus 1900. That gives 15,600. Now this 1900 will go in the debit side of profit and loss adjustment to computer account 1900. Next, machinery valued at rupees 9,400. Machinery valued at rupees, machinery, how much? 9,400. So it means we get a depreciation of 600 minus so this will go in the to machinery 600 or to next. Debtors were all good and RDD was no longer required. This adjustment we had already done while posting the posting this figure. Okay. So next, the goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 16,500. Goodwill of the firm, this also we have done already, isn't it? 16,500. So we had written goodwill, see over here 16,500, and we in this old balance sheet also we have 12,000. So 16,000 minus 12,000, whatever amount we got, we distributed it between all the three partners. Okay. Next, furniture was sold at rupees 21,800. It means now it is gone. We cannot post it in the new balance sheet because at present it is not there. So what we will do, we have got cash instead of this against this furniture. So we will put this in 21,800 in our bank account. Okay, plus how much? It's over here, 21,800. Okay, so this will go over here, 21,800. Now, and part payment of 15,000 was made to Suresh by RTGS and balance was transferred to her loan account. Means Suresh was paid. So Suresh 15,000 payment was done to Suresh. So here to bank, money has gone from bank. How much? 15,000. Now this amount 15,000 we must have given from our bank balance. So over here in bank we'll write minus 15,000. Any more adjustment is there? Was balance transferred to our loan account. Now whatever balance was there was transferred to our loan account. So now we'll write the solve this bank figure, and the amount we get is 15,200. okay. Now first we'll close this profit and loss adjustment account. So over here we'll be getting buy furniture, just a second, buy furniture. Furniture was sold out by 21,800, and here it was valued as 20,000. It means we got a profit of how much? 1,800. So that profit amount will transfer it to profit and loss adjustment account by furniture 1,800. Now we'll close this account. We get balance over here as 9,700. Here also we'll write 9,700, and the difference we get is 7,200. okay. Now we'll distribute this 7,200 to partners capital account. okay. Now in their profit sharing ratio, what is their profit sharing ratio? Equally. So this they have got what? Profit. So partners Anil, Sunil and Suresh. Anil, Sunil, Suresh. okay, we'll equally we'll have to distribute. So 2,400, 2,400, 2,400. Now this 2,400 will go in the profit and loss adjustment, this partners capital account as by profit and loss adjustment account. How much? 2,400. Here also 2,400, 2,400. okay. Now we'll close the partner who is retiring. So Suresh is going. okay. So we get 40,400. Here we get 40,400 here, and the balance we get it as 25,400. Now this will be, we are giving him, transferring it to loan. So Suresh loan account 25,000. Now this 25,400 will go in the liability side. Suresh loan account. How much? 25,400. okay. Now we'll close the remaining partners accounts. So Sunil we get 43,400, 43,400. okay. Now the difference is same, 43,400. this will be going as to balance carried down, and here we'll be getting 52,000. Here we'll be getting 52,000. balance we get 52,000. okay. Now this balance will go in the liability side as capital account. Capital account of Anil and Sunil. So Anil ka capital we got 52,000, and Sunil we got 43,400. okay. We can write this over here also. So there is no need of adding it again and again. So now our balance sheet must furniture, just a second. Now just see, over here furniture is not there, it is sold. Okay, so we'll put a dash over here, we'll put a dash over here, and we'll put a dash over here because we got cash and we adjusted it with our bank. Okay, so let's see whether our balance sheet tallies or not. So we get 1,51,700, and here also we get 1,51,700. So thus our balance sheet tallies. So I hope you have understood this sum. So if you have any problem, you can comment down below. Do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.